I read you something because it will have a meaning for those who understand this. This is part of the medical teaching, but you will understand for those who elevate to understand the next step between the soul and matter or interaction. Correction of genetic is different ballgame. You need correction and imprinting in DNA. You use patches too, but dynamic system is more advisable to change DNA. You should allow slow genetic correction, otherwise you get it back. Which means even genetic into RNA can reverse back into DNA if you don't get it right because they interfere. But what it is this part which is important. If you can make RNA of the man, then you achieve it faster in being able to support the man, physicality or DNA. RNA is created by the soul of the man and soul of physicality of the man. So if you can create that, this will be 1 second job. But you have not reached that level of understanding of it. I teach you how to make RNA one day. It is too soon. Or maybe if you contemplate on my teachings, you will understand. And you will be able to do it. What it means, if you go back to it, it says RNA is created by the soul of the man and interaction with the soul of the physicality of the man. Where DNA is created by the interaction of the physicality of the man in the dimension of the plasma. It's the first time we open this channel of teaching. Because what is important is to understand that the non-dimensional, non-tangible condition, what we call RNA, is created by the interaction of the fields of the creation of the physicality of the man in interaction with the soul of the man. The water is created by interaction of the field of the earth and the sun and what they produce, and then they come together. If you look at the creation of the hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen or carbon, which leads to the creation of amino acid, where in respect to earth hydrogen is created? Closer to the earth or further away from the earth? And where is the nitrogen created? Closer to the earth than hydrogen or away from the hydrogen? And what the light we see is the composition of leftover of the strength of the whole lot of the oxygen, carbon, nitrogen and the rest of it. All the rays of the sun which comes to us is not from interaction of the fields of just the oxygen. Some is from nitrogen, some is from other matters. It's a composite. And it's in the ray form, which means it does not have gravity. It has only the attribute of magnetical, which means it's one direction that the gravity of the earth can attract it and is giving to. That's why sometimes, as to say, light is particle or is what we call ray.